Hi guys, this is Michael Brian Valiente, your life insurance agent. Kadalasan tanong sa akin, ano daw ba ang life insurance? Ano ba ang InsureVest at VUL na tinatawag? Ito yung kadalasang ina-avail ng mga policyholder upang mapaghandaan nila yung kanilang future. Ayan, as you can see dito sa sample insurance protection proposal natin with investment plan for 3,000 insurance premium. And then for investment plan, after 15 years, ito yung possible mong makuha or ma-withdraw is amounting to 597,000 na pwede mo magamit yan for your retirement fund or for business purposes. And then kung may mga anak ka na possible magka-college na sila or high school, pwede mo magamit for educational fund. And then the other years, 20 years, 65 years mo pa siya gustong kunin, pwedeng-pwede naman. And sa lower portion ng ating insurance proposal, ito yung tinatawag na life insurance protection, sum assured or basic cover amounting to 2.5 million coverage. Ito yung tinatawag na insurance coverage na possible malansam ng iyong beneficiaries or ng family members if in case ikaw ay namatay due to natural death or by accident. At least, hindi may stress yung pamilya mo kung ikay mawala sa mundo, meron kang pamana na may iwan sa kanila upang mapagpatuloy pa rin nila yung kanilang buhay. Dahil meron siyang financial na suporta na marireceive nila galing sa iyong policy coverage. And for the disability and then yung mga personal accident, if in case na hindi ka makapagtrabaho at hindi ka makapagsuporta para sa iyong pamilya, meron kang marireceive or malansam na financial assistance galing sa insurance coverage mo at magamit ng iyong pamilya at magamit mo rin upang makapagpagamot. And for the critical illness benefits, ito yung pwede mong malansam upang makapagpagamot ka if na-declared ka for critical illness tulad ng heart attack, stroke, or cancer. At least, merong insurance company na tutulong sa iyo upang makapagpagamot ka agad. And other than that, meron tayong tinatawag na mga hospital income protection na daily possible ka makareceive ng up to 4,000 pesos kapag ikaw ay na-confine. Kaya ang payo ko lang po, hanggat maaari kung ikaw ay breadwinner or inaasahan ng iyong pamilya, meron tayong insurance protection or handa tayo for any unforeseen event para hindi magkaroon ng problema in the future. At least, prepared. And if you want to know more, just message me. Thank you. Bye-bye.